Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Daily Precious America from the University of Ghana, fresh graduate, and I'm going to talk on an intelligent car parking system. Before I start my presentation, I want to say some stuff. I believe most of us here drive cars, like we own a car or we own cars in our houses. And so far, either one way or the other, we've gone to the mall, let's say Accra Mall, or we've gone to the airport before. We tend to find out that sometimes during peak periods, we have problems in locating parking lots to park our cars. So we have to drive around, which causes delay, which can lead to so many other things. So with my project or with my device, it is the intelligent car parking system. It is a system that is designed to prevent problems that are usually associated with parking. We have so many problems like delay, we have indiscriminate parking from drivers, we have some drivers fighting each other just to get a parking lot. But with my device, it takes care of everything. So it tells the user about the number of free and occupied parking slots, and it is updated in a timely manner on a display screen, which can be either LED or LCD screen. So like what I've said before, it directs vehicle to available parking space using LED or LCD display screen. The problem statement, like I said before, is locating empty parking lots. That is the major issue with our car parking systems in Africa. I don't know about other places, but I'm a Nigerian and I've been in Ghana for over 4 years. I think I've seen that thing a lot. So, and that locating parking lots, it causes delay, indiscriminate parking, and it causes car park congestion. With the delay aspect, my uncle told me about missing a flight because he was looking for a parking lot, somewhere to park his car at the airport back in Nigeria. So that is also a problem we encountered. So with my design overview, these places signify the lanes, like each parking slot, and sensors are built into each of them, as we can see here, and there's a microcontroller behind the scene to compute everything. And the LED display screen, the red slot means that place is not empty, and the black one means it's empty. So when cars park on each location, it lights on a display board that it is full or it is not. So the microcontroller does every computation behind it. I won't go into details of my design. So I use sensors for my prototype design. After this presentation, I'll just run a short simulation behind. I have my design behind. I use sensors for my prototype design. I use microcontroller PIC16F84A, and my display unit was designed with LEDs. So you can see the red and green LEDs. The red LEDs means that slot is empty, and the green LEDs mean that it's free. So when a car parks, I use toy cars, so when my toy car parks at each slot, it's going to light up. Or the red light comes on, which means that place is full. And if the car leaves, the green light comes on. Next. So like I said before, my implementation, I work with sensors to make them do what they are supposed to do. And I program a microcontroller, which is like the interaction between the sensor and the display screen. So, and interfacing the sensor to the microcontroller, and testing was carried out to ensure successful work. So, and this is my prototype design, like I have in front of you. I use, like I said before, but I didn't come with my toy car, so I can just use something like a phone or something just to show it. And the application areas, you have shopping malls, churches, airports, hotels, and big office complexes. And in conclusion, the intelligent car parking system is very useful to its application area to organize and control every kind of conduct associated with parking. And the demonstration will be carried out shortly, and references, and thank you. Um, Basically, this is how it works. This, I don't know, I think because this place is kind of dark, and I use a photoresistor as my sensor, so it reacts to light. Like if it's a very bright place, the moment something comes on this, all the red light comes on, and if it goes out, it's supposed to turn green, but I don't know why it's acting like this. And this green light now means that this slot is free and this is not free. So if something comes on, like you see, it turns red, and if it goes out, it's supposed to turn green. I think there's a delay somewhere with my program, with the microcontroller, but that's how it works. So if we're trying to invest like on something big, I won't use a photoresistor at that time. I'll use something else. I can use ultrasonic sensors or something that will be very active, that can easily differentiate between humans and objects, cars and some other stuff. So, and my design won't be this. I will use something that is more like human interacting. So that is it. Thank you very much.